Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Boomi how-to. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a containerized Boomi gateway using Docker. I'm going to be doing this on AWS using a Unbuntu um, Linux machine, and I have 4 GB of memory allocated to it. That would be T2.medium in for the provisioning of AWS. To start us out, first of all, I have a article also attached to this video for ease of use and for all the commands we're going to be running. But first of all, we'll just be adding a Boomi user to Linux. So we'll create the group first, then we will create the actual user. After that, we'll update the machine. All right, once that's done, we'll install the certificate package for the Docker key using this command. And we'll select yes when that appears. Once that's done, we'll run this command, which adds the Docker GPG key to the machine. All right. And then finally, we will run this command, click enter to add the Docker repository to APT. All right, simple enough. Next, we're actually going to install the Docker engine onto our machine using sudo apt install docker-ce. Select yes. Once that appears, let it actually install. All right, once that's complete, go ahead and add the Boomi user to the Docker server so we can run the commands. All right, once that's complete, we're gonna actually run the command to install the gateway onto the Docker container. Before we do that, we'll switch over to our Boomi user. Then we will run the following Docker command. We can grab this straight from the article. I recommend just using the example. All you'll need to do is switch out the account ID and the gateway install token for yours. So this is that. To get the gateway install token, we'll navigate back to AtomSphere. We'll click on Add Gateway, click on Security Token, switch to Linux 64-bit, and then generate a token. We'll copy that, come over to our command. We'll just paste over that. Then the Boomi account ID can just be grabbed from the URL of your Boomi account. Since mine's already here, I won't do that. Copy this over to our VM. Cool. Once we do that, the gateway should appear on AtomSphere. it doesn't start up initially, we can start it up manually from the Docker side. So this will list the containers. Now it's an initializing. We can start it using the Docker start command. Then we'll just copy this container ID. Paste it. Should start it up. All right. Our Docker node's online. Now we'll call it from our from the internet. So we'll just have to grab the public IPv4 DNS from AWS. Just copy that. Close. We'll paste that there, and then we'll save it. And then just to make sure it works, we'll copy the health check URL and the public URL, then the health check URL after that. Call it. We're getting a healthy response. And that about does it. So right now, if you followed along, you should have a healthy containerized Boomi gateway on a Ubuntu VM. There will be a link to the article in the description with all the commands you need to mimic this and have one of your own. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.